Hi, this is Kazi Anam. I have been chosen to present two classes at the 2024 NGH Convention and Educational Conference that is taking place on August 9, 10, and 11th in Marlborough, Massachusetts. I'm looking forward to see you on Friday 9th at my seminar on sleeplessness. This is a huge issue. Almost 30% of the US population has some issues with sleep. In this seminar, you learn the neurobiology of sleep, how stress, anxiety, and excessive use of digital medium can affect our sleep. I will be presenting how you can help someone with this issue. You learn how to conduct pre-talk, you learn how to write a script, and conduct session. This seminar is appropriate for all levels, from the beginners to the experienced hypnotist. You'll have everything that you need to conduct a successful session for sleeplessness. Besides, I'm also offering a very successful smoking cessation program. As you understand, smoking cessation is one of the basic program a hypnotist can offer. In US, approximately 30 million people wants to quit smoking, and there is no real good pathway. The conventional way, the gums, patches, only 5 to 6% successful. And hypnosis, if it is done right, even with a simple 2-hour program, it can be very successful. That's what I see in my practice, and that's what I'll be offering. So you learn the neurobiology of the brain, how nicotine affects the brain, and also what are the 4 things a smoker must address to successfully quit smoking. So you'll have everything. You'll see the pre-talk, you'll get the script, the how I conduct the sessions, how to do everything. So come join with me in this wonderful workshop and the seminar. Besides, when you come here in this NGH convention, you'll see many more informative seminars, workshop, and also you'll meet other peers, colleagues, and you learn quite a bit, have fun. So join today, sign up today, and join in August with me in that NGH convention, and I wish to see you all there. Thank you.